How to find close friends settings on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find close friends settings on Instagram Lite. First then open Instagram Lite and now click on your profile and then click these three lines in the top corner and then click settings, and here we'll find account. Click on it and now click close friends. Here you'll find it. And now all you need to do is just click this one here, get started. And as you see here, you can manage close friends settings. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.